whether a business can have negative cash flow from operations despite making positive profit? Answer is yes, possible. Look at this scenario where the business has reported a sales of 100 crore, incurred various expenses comprising raw material, labor, other manufacturing expenses, depreciation, selling, general admin expenses, and there is also decrease in inventory, which is basically the comparison between the opening and closing stock of the goods. So all those put together is 90 crore, sales is 100 crore. They have a positive profit of 10 crore. But let us also look at their cash flow from operations. Look at here, they made sales of 100 crore. But out of that 100, they have received only 60 crore during the year, and they have also received 10 crore which was related to the previous year. So in the current year, the total inflow on account of sales is 70 crore, which is divided into 60 crore of the current year and 10 crore of the previous year. And if you look at their expenses, they have multiple expenses. As far as the raw material is concerned, out of 50 crore, they have paid only 45 crore in the current year, and they also paid 20 crore related to the previous year. It means they would have carried this as a sundry creditors or trade creditors in their balance sheet, in the previous year balance sheet, which was paid during the current year. So for raw material, the consumption cost is 50 crore, but what they have paid for is actually 65 crore, 15 crore higher than what they have shown as expenses. And for labor, they have paid the entire 10 crore, and I think previous year they had some outstanding that is also cleared during the current year, so around 12 crore has been paid. Other manufacturing expenses, out of 5 crore, only 3 crore has been paid, 2 crore yet to be paid. Depreciation 15 crore is an expense but no cash flow involved, so I have written it as not applicable. Selling, general admin expenses, out of 5 crore, they have paid 4 crore. Decrease in inventory, the movement will not reflect over here. Okay. So if you see, out of 100 crore, what they have realized is 70 crore. To put it rightly, out of 100, they have realized 60, and related to the previous year 10, they have realized overall 70 crore, and they have made various payments for these expenses. And if you net all this, 70 inflow and 84 is the outflow. So you see the cash flow from operations is negative despite having positive profit. So the answer is yes, it is possible. And here we go, Credit and Financial Analysis Mastery course. It's a comprehensive pre-recorded online course that comes with 15 modules of video lectures, basically 70 plus hours of video contents, multiple ebooks and reading materials related to credit and financial analysis that will make up another 30 plus hours of content. So totally it is 100 plus hours of learning resources. Then you will also get access to a private community in Telegram for clarifying your doubts in credit and financial domain. Then you also have the flexibility to choose 1 year subscription or lifetime subscription depending upon your learning goals. So by joining this course, you will learn basics of credit analysis, how to read balance sheet, financial ratio analysis, cash flow, fund flow analysis, how to arrive at credit risk rating, how to prepare CMA report, cash budget, how to assess credit facilities like CC, OD, LC, BG, term loan, how to write bank loan proposal, and you will also have access to case studies related to credit analysis. So to join this course, to know more about the course, comment CFA, and I'll share the details with you.